Hey guys, Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and I'm here at one of the most promising townhouse project in the area of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, because this is located right along the road. It's called Regent Heights, located in San Ignacio Street, Barangay Poblacion, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So, nakita nyo sa likod guys, townhouse yan, Alexa Townhouse. Pakita ko lang yung ano niya. Ang ganda ng location niya. Tara. Yung nakikita nyo sa background ko guys, ano na yan, yung mga bus papuntang Manila tsaka Quezon City dumadaan na dyan. So, ayun nga, along the road lang, diba? Kaya maganda talaga yung kanyang location. Yun yung isa sa kanyang selling point. And at the same time, kahit may katabi siya dito na river, napakataas po nung ano yan, harang yan. At never po yan kahit during Undoy, nagkaroon ng history ng flood dito sa Regent Heights, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Just for your information. So, let's do a house tour, and at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you the updated sample compilation for October 2025. Kapag Regent Heights ang pinili mo, ang minimum lot na makukuha mo ay 50 square meter. Merong very limited corner or end unit na a bigger lot. Pero paunahan lang siya, so kontakin nyo kagad ako. Pero kung minimum lang yung hanap mo, ito yung kanya magiging carport. So ito, kasya dito yung mga hatchback. Small carport lang siya. Kapag sedan, pwede pa rin hanggang dito siya. Kapag naman SUV, lalagpas lang. So hindi mo na siya i-gate and fence. Yun lang naman yung difference nun guys. Ang kanyang turnover ay tinatawag namin complete finish turnover. Pero pasensya na kayo dahil itong actual turnover unit ay medyo magulo pa. Ayan, may mga nakalagay pa dito. Hindi pa siya ganun kalinis kasi nag-aayos po kami dito. Okay, nagre-renovate. So, ano siya guys? Ang developer natin ay tinatawag natin Pinnacle Homes. Okay? So, si Pinnacle Homes ay marami na rin project in the south area, okay? And ang Regent Heights, meron na pong community. You're not gonna be crowded kasi 400 lang yung units around that. And at the same time, meron tayong amenities. May commercial units, magkakaroon ng basketball court, multi-purpose hall, parks and playground, jogging trail. Wala lang swimming pool, okay? And at the same time, ano lang, ang sukat niya 4.5 hectare lang yung kabuuan ng project. O diba, imagine that. So, ang turnover natin, 60 by 60 yung tiles, white yung paint. Ang ganda na ng ceiling, guys. Diba, ang ganda ng ceiling. Tapos, L-shape yung ating magiging kitchen. And the most important thing that you need to remember, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Taas at baba, kahit townhouse, may CR ka. Toilet and shower, ha? So ito, ang service area, pwede ka dito mag-laundry area. Meron na siyang partition, mataas na yung partition niya. Ipa-roof mo na lang, polycarbonate roof. Ito yung kanyang first toilet and shower. Malaki guys, maluwag ang CR niya. Sa stairs natin, yung kalahati concrete, kalahati kahoy, still yung handrail. Nakatiles na rin yung second floor. So, itong second floor natin guys, may maluwag tayong hallway. Pakita ko yung second toilet and shower. Yung toilet and shower natin, pangalawang CR, ayan. Toilet and shower yan hindi mo na kailangan bumaba. Kaya kahit meron kayong senior, okay lang, nasa second floor lang siya. Pero yung CR, at least hindi niya na kailangan bumaba, di ba? Tapos ito yung bedroom 1. Townhouse, pero pwede sa big family up to family of 6. Pero kung halimbawa small family lang kayo, itong maliit na kwarto na to, pwede nyo gawin itong home office, or study room. And then, bedroom 2. Yan. Lahat ng ating windows ay sliding windows, okay? Tapos ganyan na rin yung ceiling natin, guys. Complete finish na siya, kaya drawing na lang ang kailangan mong dalhin. And this is our master's bedroom. Ang master's bedroom natin ay may dalawang maliit na sliding window. Ayan. Siya yung pinakamalaki natin, guys. Okay. So, Regent Heights, Alexa Townhouse Model House Tour. Magkano kaya? Okay? So, gusto mo yung location? Okay ka? Nagustuhan mo yung bahay? Kasi malaki siyang townhouse, complete finished. How about the sample computation? Pasok ba to sa hinahanap mo at sa income requirement mo? Showing on the screen, guys, kung pre-selling po yung i-avail natin, ayan po yung kanyang terms ng down payment. O, di ba? Kaya-kaya pa rin siya. Tapos yung required income niya, pwede po yan solo income o kaya naman mag-asawa kayo, magkapatid, or magkamag-anak, whatever. Gusto niyo mag-combine ng income, allowed po yung combined income. So, that is our bank financing. Pag tinanong mo, paano naman yung pag-ibig? Pag pag-ibig financing, guys, be ready, mas mataas po yung down payment. So, pwede mong triplehin. So, okay ka ba na ganun kalaki yung binabayaran mo? Triple pa niyang pinapakita kong sample computation? Titriplihin mo pa yung down payment, di ba guys? Siyempre sa iba medyo mabigat yun eh. Yung 50,000 per month or 80,000 per month. Di ba? Ang bigat nun for a townhouse. Kaya mas marami dito bank financing talaga. Kasi si bank mas mabilis yung process. Maliit lang yung down payment. Mataas yung appraisal value nila kay Regent Heights. Kaya mataas yung kanilang loanable amount. Gets ba natin, guys? Yun po yun. Kung halimbawa naman gusto mo na nakatayo na, ready for occupancy, o kaya naman ongoing construction, almost ready na, yung nakikita mo na, meron tayong RFO sa Regent Heights at ayan po yung kanyang sample computation kung RFO. So pag RFO, hindi ibig sabihin next month lilipat ka na, kahit nakatayo na yan, kailangan full muna yung down payment, kailangan approve muna yung financing, at ready na syempre yung unit bago ka mag-punch list, okay? So, ayan po yung sample computation ng ating ready for occupancy, alright? So, yan siya guys. Na-compare nyo naman, di ba, kung saan pasok yung income mo ngayon, yung budget mo, go for it, okay? So, ang dapat matandaan sa Regent Heights, bawal po dito mag-walk-in, alright? Take advantage na hindi pa tayo nagkakaroon ng another price increase, di ba? Pero magdi-December na. So, dapat bago matapos ang taon at pumasok yung 2026, makapag-reserve ka na, di ba? Para safe ka na doon sa total contract price given by the developer. So, ayun siya guys. And at the same time, kung gusto nyo ma-avail yung mga promo, may burn months promo, specifically for Regent Heights, for October and November reservation. Ayan po siya guys. Showing on the screen yung aking burn months promo para po sa inyo. Alright? And I need you to bring your initial requirements. Kapag magpapatripin kayo sa akin, at least 1 to 2 days before. Okay? Ang schedule, dahil bawal mag-walk-in dito, ayan po yung ating initial requirements. I-ready mo na yan so that you can save time, money, and effort. Tripping and reservation. Kung gusto mo, ipacheck mo na kaagad sa akin yung TIN number mo because we really need here valid TIN number. Importante po yun guys. Naki-check naman po siya sa BIR or like sa online. Naki-check siya kung validated talaga yung TIN number mo. Diba? Ganun siya guys. And if you have any questions, you can contact me directly to my Viber and WhatsApp number. Ayan siya. Just mention Regent Heights, diba? And I will send you the sample computation as well. And we can schedule a tripping at least 1 to 2 days before. Okay? Let's have the last look, guys. Dito po kay Regent Heights. But before that, if you're using Messenger, ayan din yung aking Messenger link. Naka-blue check yan, legit yan. Follow nyo ako. Ako po yan, guys. Okay? Message nyo ako sa Messenger. Mention Regent Heights. Let's have a last look kay Alexa Townhouse sa labas. Guys, I hope to see you all soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.